Mr. Speaker, the pardons this week of violent felons who attacked our Capitol, injuring 174 of our Capitol police, were a sacrilege against our Republic and our Constitution. Their actions were an affront on decency and a violent attack on the rule of law. Americans nationwide are outraged. 140 law enforcement officers were assaulted and 174 sustained injuries. Officer Brian Sicknick died. Those who engaged in violence against law enforcement officers must be held accountable to the fullest extent of the law. I will soon introduce the Brian Sicknick Heroic Law Enforcement Officers Protection Act. This bill aims to strengthen penalties for those who assault law enforcement officers on federal property. It provides enhanced support for officers injured in the line of duty. This legislation is named in honor of U.S. Capitol Police Officer Brian Sicknick. He tragically lost his life in the line of duty defending this Capitol on January 6, 2021. His selfless service and ultimate sacrifice will never be forgotten. My legislation will include enhanced penalties for assaults on law enforcement officers for individuals who assault officers on federal property with potential sentences including life imprisonment. It will include improved health benefits for officers. It will guarantee full health benefits throughout their service, retirement, and for those injured in the line of duty, including the 140 officers assaulted and 174 injured on January 6, 2021. As one member who was held against her will in this Capitol on January 6, 2021, I can guarantee you this bill deserves swift passage. Additionally, it will provide enhanced support for injured officers by providing eligible officers with access to necessary protective services. The brave men and women of law enforcement put their lives on the line every day to protect our communities and our nation. This legislation is a necessary step toward honoring their service. It will ensure they have the support they deserve and that the United States of America reveres them and the rule of law to which they dedicate their lives. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I yield back.